I accidentally ended the recording. I'm gonna set this over here. It's time for bag number 2. This is where the fun begins. I know that's from the Bronze universe, but yeah, this is truly where the fun really begins. Okay. Here is whatever her name is. There. She has a little not an arm, like a shoulder attachment, whatever it's called. Here's this. Oh, right here. In this bag. There. There it is. There it is. Jesus. God freaking dang it. Here, do you want to be in camera? Oh my god. Is this good? Yeah, okay. So it goes this way. This is really goofy. I've never had one of these. I believe that this does have some sort of articulation. Well, something that resembles articulation. Guessing that this sort of goes. Yeah, this is going to take way more than the 43 minutes I've left in my phone recording storage. Yeah. I will let you know when I am done. Okay, so I have his left leg done. It's right, left or right. I don't really care. Depends on which way you're facing, but it's left leg, I guess. Yeah. So I got one of his legs done. Well, now I have to.
This is about as tight as it can be for time, man. That's as tight as it can be for time. That was optimization right there. You see, making the moves, that's how you win. Boom, slam that door. We actually survived an hour. We might get to 2 a.m. This is crazy. Look at the hunger, man. It kind of does pretty quick. So we can kind of walk normally. I don't know if I ever want to walk when I see this dude awake. Like, if he's moving in the cameras, nah. Look at this. What's the pattern? I'm just going to sleep anyway. Bro doesn't even know what he's doing. He's like, what's he doing? Sleep it away. Keep the hunger cravings at a minimum. Just don't focus on it, okay? That hunger, it's a lie. It's all bull crap. It's all bull crap. You ain't hungry. You're just bored. We eat when we're bored, man. That's what it is.
Yeah. I'm almost done with his last leg.
Cameras, they don't basically get checked out. We don't check those cameras, man. Don't check them when we're good. We should just have enough resources to get through this. I checked the camera. It went against my words. We gotta go. Definitely more active with checking when we're asleep. He's like a magnet on it this time. He's broken. He's broken again. Pops! Yeah, come get me, you moron! Yeah, that's it, I'm your son! And I'm sleeping. I'm a sleeping son. He's on that crazy jump. What? Steven, I know it's bad enough, man. Why are you gonna make him like that? That's just strange, though. 5 a.m. Ooh,
Yeah, I'm watching 8-Bit Ryan right now while I work on this. This is really annoying. How many times I've messed up? This is the 3rd hour.
As long as he doesn't sleep until I'm literally starting. That would be really annoying, actually. I'd get annoyed. And then I think after this, I'm actually going to get food regardless. I'm going to have to. I got to chance him. So he's running around up the stairs. He's in the back. He's taking it down. No problem. He's taking a poop. Come to the
Something fell. Something important. Have it? Yep. I freaking have it. Yeah. Shout out to 8-Bit Ryan to keep me company while I'm working. Yeah. I'm watching his weird restricted dad video.
So many noodles all night, you have no idea about it. Where's my food? I mean, I'd love to eat. Oh, what happened to you last night, Dad? Do you remember? Does he know anything? Someone possessed my soul. But now, not anymore. That's what it means, possessing my dad's soul, we're saying. Really, Dad? You know, if you believe him, I think you deserve to get snapped at. I'm just saying. I don't believe him all. Yes, son. Now, let's pray before. Alright, let's hear those words, now. I'll let you start with the words. Thanks, Pops. That face, though. All right, there you go. Weird Strict Dad. To be continued. How are they going to continue this? How? No, I'm serious. How the frick are they going to continue this? What the heck was that? Hey, the game was called Weird Strict Dad, and Weird Strict Dad, that whole thing turned out to be, really. Guys, that was a random Roblox game. I'm actually glad I played this one. I thought it was like the original.
Yeah. Thank God I have 8-Bit Ryan to keep me company.
Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. Of course, I did enjoy, and I can't wait to play Weird Strict Mom from the same developer in about 3 weeks' time.
How does Laffy Taffy make mouths so happy? It's smooth and satisfying. Fruity and flavorful. And has a joke on every wrapper. It's ha 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 meets Laffy Taffy, deliciously funny.
Reinvention is helping financial institutions find new investment opportunities faster.
There she is. So yeah, how rich can you get in 24 hours in Minecraft? Pretty much that rich. I mean, you can probably...
And I'm also watching Jakerton. I'm watching Jakerton now. So I have both legs done now. It can stand now. It can stand. Yeah, I'll probably start building.
I think it's ice cream. Who's the intruder? Where are we? Scary man. He wants to kill us. Don't move. Trust. Uh-oh. My anxiety was at 100% before the stream even started, so I'm a little worried. Really bad. Who's he taking?
I'll try and get the first.
Gosh, dude, this game sucks. You can't talk or move at all. Jeez, that's wild.
Alright, let's do this. Let's do it.
So we have one of the things. I forgot what they're called, but
I think we can.
they're from Infinity Ward. Yeah. So this is basically. So.
The intruders presence can constantly raise anxiety to lower the anxiety, keep the lights on and stay in the cameras, do not let the anxiety reach 100. The intruder will start outside and will presently inside the room. This by the intruder the cameras, and the camera power, and he's inside, outside, and back. The intruder